Hello, today is morning of 12th of October 2015 and I will speak about this image of astrological signs and their correspondence to human organs in body. Okay, to body organs. Okay. Aries is the first. Okay, Aries controls the hearing. It is so Aries is present in hearing, self-control, muscles, volition, consciousness, direction, concentration. The will, yes, the will is important. I always notice the amazing will of the people in Aries, and in my experience, I found that there are many different type of people, but it is interesting in Aries. When Aries is present, okay, for example, it doesn't need to be a sun in Aries. It can be, for example, moon in Aries or Aries ascendant, or maybe the best example is Mars. In Aries there is always some type of will. For example, for some situations, some people can say, "Oh, it is very boring to me to do," or "I am bored. I do not like that." But when there is a good Aries position, they never get bored with something. They can do something which is really boring, and they can succeed in doing that. It is interesting. The idea, the term will, is really interesting. How different people do not have same type of will. But here is calculation, the capacity of calculation, mentality, thought, perception, sight, taste, smell. Okay. Taurus is about contraction, physical movements. However, Taurus people are lazy, and Taurus can be expressed in the need for art, for relaxation, for rest, for enjoyment. Okay, and for the physical need for physical senses. Okay, spinal nerve. Okay, interesting. Jugular vein, arteries, interesting. A center of nervous system. Energy stimulation, prostration, irritation. Irritation. So they can have those physical problems on this area. So they need, I think, to keep these areas. Okay. Gemini governs lungs and arms. It is about expansion, shoulders, trachea. I think it is some sort of disease. Pneumonia, bronchitis. Bronchitis, inflammation. Inflammation. Colos, coers, cataract, congestion. Those are problems of Gemini can be problems. Okay. Cancer, valvular Okay, aorta pulmonary. What is that? Pulmonary artery, glands, ducts, nipples, platoric governs the chest. Okay, so those are the problems of this. And Leo, diaphragm, polarization, blood, vital center, arterial inflammation, flotional, sympathetic. They are sympathetic in nature. Virgo, corona, gall. What is this gall? Pancreas. Okay. For Virgo, yes, from personal experience, I know a Virgo woman suffering from bad pancreas. Okay, so you can see that it is the weak point in them. Pyloric inflammation, bile ducts, lubrication, eruptive. Interesting. And Libra is all about kidneys, diseases, ascending, transcendence, and descending. I do not read this. I can't read this. Libra circulation. Fluids. It is about the part of the tides and the problems with that two bones, the connection between the legs and the body. Okay. Okay. I do not see it. Also, inflammation can be a problem here. You see that inflammation is really a big problem, and for most signs, and that must be cured. Scorpio here, the blood and all sexual and erectile parts and elements. What is this? Mills. I do not see. Okay, but that is the sexual region that can be problematic. Interesting. Here, Sagittarius, physical power. Okay. Hip and tight affections and rheumatism of hands and parts. Rheumatism of hands and parts. Hands, tights. Interesting. Rheumatism of hands and tights. Interesting disease. Capricorn, nails, converges, currents, stragen, chorus, and joints as that part of bones. Saturn, ruler of Aries, governs bones, so bones can be problematic. And I'm not speaking here about the problems, but the characteristics of the signs. Aquarius, knees, veins can suffer from irritation, and Pisces, feet, nails. And that's it. And my point is this works, this is correct, and this is really correct. And if you are wondering why, I do not know, but all this works because the signs are also the parts of the body. Okay, and that is really correct from my personal experience. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day. See you maybe next time. Bye bye.